Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the best RV leveling blocks on the market, the Ouleme 12-pack RV leveling blocks. Whether you're a seasoned RV traveler or just getting started with life on the road, this product is a must-have for your gear checklist. Right out of the box, what stands out about the Ouleme RV leveling blocks is the robust and thoughtful design. This set includes 12 stackable leveling blocks, 10 standard interlocking blocks and 2 specially designed top blocks. Each of the main blocks measures 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches and stands 1.5 inches tall, while the top blocks are slightly thinner at 0.7 inches in height. That means you can customize your leveling height with precision depending on your parking needs or terrain challenges. Setting them up is incredibly easy. The interlocking design makes the blocks click into place firmly, creating a stable platform to park on. Whether you're leveling out your camper, travel trailer, or supporting a stabilizer or jack, these blocks deliver dependable performance. They don't slip or shift under weight thanks to their well-engineered surface grip, which is a game-changer for safety and convenience. Now let's talk build quality. These aren't your average flimsy plastic pads. They're made from heavy-duty polypropylene that's reinforced with anti-UV aging additives. This means they won't crack or degrade quickly even after long-term sun exposure. The density and thickness of each block give you confidence that they can handle the weight of a fully loaded trailer or motorhome without bending or buckling. Another thoughtful addition is the included carrying bag. It's compact and durable, keeping the blocks neatly organized and easy to transport. No more tossing loose leveling blocks in the back of your vehicle. This bag keeps everything together and ready to go. It's especially handy when you're packing up quickly and want a mess-free storage solution. As for usage versatility, these blocks go beyond just leveling your rig. Use them under scissor jacks, tongue jacks, tandem wheel chocks, and even as a solid base for other camping tools or equipment. Because they're stackable, you can adapt to various uneven surfaces, making them ideal whether you're on gravel, dirt, or even soft ground. Ouleme has really put their experience in automotive tools and accessories into this product. It's clear that this set was designed with the real-life needs of RVers in mind: durability, ease of use, versatility, and compact storage. The product also holds its own when compared to more expensive name brands, offering great performance at a competitive price. So if you're tired of improvising with wood planks or dealing with unstable platforms, the Ouleme 12-pack RV leveling blocks offer a reliable, easy-to-use solution for keeping your RV perfectly level. They help prevent fridge malfunction, slide-out issues, and discomfort from slanted floors, all while saving you time during setup. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more detailed product breakdowns, and drop a comment below if you've used these or have questions. Safe travels and see you in the next video.